Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome crashing issues step by step in 2026. If Chrome keeps closing unexpectedly, freezing, or crashing while browsing, it can be really frustrating. But don't worry, there are several ways to troubleshoot and fix this problem efficiently. Let's get started. First, make sure Chrome is fully closed. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and end any Chrome processes that are still running in the background. This clears any stuck processes that might be causing the crash. Next, restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot clears temporary issues or memory overload that makes Chrome unstable. Now, check your extensions. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools greater than Extensions, and disable or remove any unnecessary extensions. Extensions are one of the most common reasons Chrome crashes, especially if they are outdated or conflicting. Another important step is to clear browsing data. Go to Settings. Greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data, select All Time, and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Old or corrupted cache can lead to crashes, so clearing it often helps. Next, update Chrome. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and let Chrome automatically update. Running the latest version ensures you have performance fixes and security improvements. If Chrome still crashes, disable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings greater than System and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, then restart Chrome. This can prevent crashes caused by graphics, rendering issues. For persistent problems, reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Restore settings to their original defaults. This removes misconfigured settings without deleting your bookmarks or passwords. Another useful step is to scan your computer for malware. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Cleanup Computer and run the built-in Chrome cleanup tool. Malware or unwanted software can crash Chrome unexpectedly. Finally, if none of these solutions work, consider reinstalling Chrome. Uninstall it completely, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official Google site. A fresh installation often resolves stubborn crash issues. And that's how you fix Google Chrome crashing issues step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.